Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reopen a closed tab in Google Chrome. So guys, if you close like any tab like this, and if you want to reopen that closed tab, so just you need to move your cursor to this plus icon, then right click. Now here you will see option reopen closed tab, and also you can use shortcut Control plus Shift plus T. So click on reopen closed tab. Similarly, you can reopen all closed tab one by one like this. So as we can see, we closed this QME, YouTube and Wikipedia. So now to reopen that closed tab one by one. So right click on this plus icon, then click on reopen closed tab. That's it. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. By this simple method we can know how to reopen a closed tab in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video.